What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Frankie. I hope all of you are having an amazing day. Today we're gonna be changing the coil packs on my truck, as I told you guys on the last video. So here we are, guys. So as you see, guys, I just changed the first one. Right now I'm gonna change all the other three right here on this side, and then I'm gonna do the other side right now. Shouldn't be too hard. Here are the coil packs that I'm using. Here's the old one, guys. Yep, they look pretty toasted. We're gonna be installing one by one right now. So yeah, guys, let's get it. So basically the only tool you're using right here is a wrench with a 10mm socket and an extension. This coil is just holding on by two screws, as you see. Just one right here and one in the bottom. Then you just unplug this and your cord right here. So we're gonna be taking the next one off. Top screw, just take this out. Está atrás tu mano. Right, so after taking the cable from the spark plug out, you take this top cable out, and then right now you have access to take out the screw right here. Here we got it, guys. So you guys see. So we got the new one, guys, and we're gonna be installing it the same as the other one. Goes like this, and one screw goes on top, one on the bottom, so it can hold it down. Grab the other one. So now you grab your wrench and you cut it up. Sure, you don't use a lot of force. Right, so after you install it, you plug in this one. Just like that. You grab your connector. It looks alright. Until it clicks, and that's how you're sure it's plugged in right. So we're gonna take the other two off. We're gonna do the same steps as this one. So right here, guys, make sure you get a shorter extension than mine, because I could take this top screw out, but this bottom one, you're gonna need space because it's right here. So let's get a shorter one. So you're gonna need a mini-me like this. Then like that, you can take this bottom one out. So after that, guys, you can actually take your bottom screw out. Let's take this top one out. And right here we got the coil. Alright, guys, so we got it. So here's the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is number 5. Yeah, here we got it. So when you're changing coils, actually it doesn't go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it actually goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until you go to number 8. Let's change the next one. Right, so we got it right here, boys. Make sure when you change this ones, make sure it's the exact fit for your truck. Not all coil packs are the same for this 5.3 motors. So make sure you got the right one. So yeah, let's put the screws back in, connector back on, and the cable for the spark plug. So we want to tighten it up. So after that, you grab your connector on top, you connect it. Okay. Grab your wire, bottom, make sure it's clean. Here are the little clips. That's how you know it's connected, right? We're gonna be changing the last one on this side, and then we're gonna start on the other side. All right, you guys, so this last one right here on this side is a little bit difficult because you don't really got space right here between the brake booster and the coil. So we're gonna connect the cable on top. There. Now we're gonna connect the coil from the bottom. So there you go, guys. We finished with this side. We're gonna do the other side right now. This is how it looks. So like I said, you guys, make sure you got two extensions, a long one and a short one, a 10mm socket and the wrench, and it'll do the job. So let's do the next side. So guys, I was checking this side out, and as you guys see, this hoses go clamped right here, but this little bracket right here, it's on our way from coil pack number 2 right here on the front. So we're gonna be removing this. Pretty sure it's just by removing this little nut out. Sure, we're gonna be using our long extension right here. Yep. So here's a little nut out. Now we can take the bracket out. This is what it was on our way, guys. So we might want to put that to the side. So now we have access right here to our coil. So just give them a little twist, not too hard. Then just push it down slowly. There. Now we can take our 2 screws out. Right here you can use your long extension right here. The coil, here it is, guys. So you get your new coil. Just set it down right here. Put a little screw. Put the bottom one. It's tight. You got your connector. Make sure you don't force it right there. Make sure it just goes in smoothly. There we go. Spark plug wire and make sure you don't drop your screw, guys, because you don't want to drop it. So we got it right here, guys. Just look how dirty that thing is. So put that down. We'll take the new one. So we got our new one. Here we have it, guys. So we place it right there. So when you're changing, guys, this, make sure where you take the little screw out, when you take both of them out, one of them is larger than the other one, so make sure you know where you put them at. So there, guys, we are done installing all the coil packs right here. As you see, this is the other side. So hopefully the engine will be running better. So now we're gonna put this bracket that we had here where the hose we're grabbing onto, and it should be done. All right, you guys, so let's see if it turns on right. So here's our first start. We have the service engine light on because we need the EBAP solenoid change in this truck. That's how it's running. We're going to let the truck warm up a little bit, and we're gonna see right now how it's running. Right now it's running good. I haven't turned it on like in 2 days, so right now it's running a little bit rich. We're gonna see if that comes up. Alright guys, so here I got my little computer. Let's diagnose this truck. Let's see what that light means. There it goes. So as you guys see, it's a PO449. It's a evaporation emission system. So yeah guys, that's the only code we have right now. So I actually do have that sensor that we're gonna need, the EBAP thing. So we have that EBAP solenoid, guys, that I was talking to you guys about, which I'm gonna have to change on this truck. Here it is, you guys. So probably a lot of you guys have seen this, but the truck needs this new because why we have that. Well, right now I turned it off, but that's why we're having that code on the computer. So here's a little update, you guys. The truck is actually running way better. The reason why I was changing it, why I changed them, guys, because the RPMs on the truck would just go up and down, like when it was idling. So I knew that there was something wrong with that. So first thing I did was actually change the spark plugs and the cables. But after that, it was running good for a couple days, but then it kept doing it again. So my next conclusion was probably, it's the air filter, but I just installed this cold air intake system. So I'm pretty sure that's not the problem. But as you guys see, now the truck is running, look at green. Yeah, we gotta fix the door right there. Here are the old ones, guys. So as you see, guys, my conclusion is that when a truck like this is running really rough, change your coil packs, because I'm pretty sure those are the original ones that came with the truck. Putting in brand new ones actually made the truck run like new, like basically like new. I actually installed a LED bar like I told you guys I was. So that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next one.